Good morning, students. Today I will discuss the third method of separation, that is separation by using separating funnel or decantation. This method is used for separating a mixture of immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids like oil and water don't mix. When these are placed together, they form a separate layers. So this is called as immiscible liquids, means which are not soluble with each other, don't mix. This mixture is heterogeneous mixture, and the separation that can be done by using the separating funnel. Now, this method is based on the principle that immiscible liquids separate out in layers depending on their densities. Means it depends on their density. Like this example, mixture of mustard oil and water. Mustard oil being lighter will form the upper layer, and water is heavier, so it will form the lower layer. This is a separating funnel, this one. Here we separate a liquid mixture of kerosene oil and water. This separating funnel is made up of glass, and it is provided with the stop cork, means at the upper side, this one, or a tap. Press the mouth of the funnel, this one, with your thumb. Shake the content for some time and keep the funnel undisturbed. Then we will observe kerosene oil form the upper layer and water is present in the form of lower layer. Means kerosene oil and water both are completely immiscible with each other. Means there is a clear boundary of separation, this one. So now open the stop cork, this one. Open this cork. Lower layer of water moves out and get collected in a beaker, and kerosene oil remain in the funnel. So by the help of separating funnel, we can easily separate the two immiscible liquids, means which are not mixed with each other. So it will form a layer. By the help of these layers, these can easily be separated. Now take second example. Mixture of CCl4, means carbon tetrachloride, and water. It is same like this. CCl4 that will form lower layer and water form upper layer due to their densities. So this mixture is also separated by separating funnel with the help of two layers, lower layers and upper layers. These layers depends on their density of the substance. Now the next method is sublimation method. Sublimation means when a solid changes into vapor state, means this method is used to separate those solids from their mixtures which directly pass to the vapor state without undergoing to the liquid state, and the vapors on cooling, these vapors are directly changed into solid without undergoing into the liquid state. So this process is called as sublimation process. Means some solid have a tendency to sublimate on heating. A mixture containing such type of solids with another solid can be separated by sublimation methods, like example naphthalene, camphor, ammonium chloride, benzoic acid, iodine. All these are the example of sublimation. In this sublimation method, we take one example. A mixture of ammonium chloride that undergo sublimate and sodium chloride cannot undergo sublimation. How it is separate? Students, this is the sublimation process in which a mixture is taken in a china dish. This is china dish and here some mixture is taken, and it is covered by a perforated sheet. This one, perforated sheet. An inverted glass funnel is placed over the china dish, and its stem is plugged with cotton. This dish is heated. When a volatile substance changes to vapors, here we take the ammonium chloride and sodium chloride. Ammonium chloride that change into the vapors. These vapors pass through the perforated plate and get collected on the inner surface of the funnel. This one, this side. This is called as sublimate. And the sodium chloride, which does not undergo sublimation, that remain on a dish. The sublimate can be removed from the funnel. This can be removed, and by the help of this sublimation process we can easily remove the volatile and non-volatile components. Same example, we take the camphor, which is a solid with pleasant smell that undergo sublimation, and the salt, sodium chloride, that can be separated. Same process takes place with a mixture of naphthalene balls. Naphthalene balls disappears after some days because of the process of sublimation. Solid form changes into gaseous form without undergoing into the liquid state. So naphthalene balls are easily sublimate. You can also see in our homes. This sublimation process is very useful to separate the volatile component from the non-volatile component. Thank you, students.